Alright, I'm going to give you one more chance. Eat lunch now to build up strength, but Naruto doesn't get any. It's your punishment for breaking the rules, and I make the rules. You follow them. Got it? Minato-sensei had faith in me, so should I have faith in them too? But what if I'm wrong to begin with? That's true. I'm still just trying to stick to my rules. If I'd embraced that little sign you gave me. Here.
What is it?
Obito, did you see that? I'll never, ever